Let's discuss about population ecology. It is from Campbell Biology. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about the models of population growth pattern. Okay, there are basically two models to describe the population growth pattern. One is exponential growth model and another is logistic growth model. Okay, in this slide, I shall tell about the exponential growth model. Okay, here exponential growth model. The rate of population increase under ideal condition, okay, is called exponential growth. Okay, if the population are getting ideal condition, that is optimum amount of resources, food are available, then growth of the population is uh, unlimited, and that growth order is called as exponential growth. Okay, and how we can calculate it? We can calculate it by using the equation g equal to small r and n. Okay, g is the growth of population here, growth rate of population, that is growth of new individual in the population. Okay, or number of new individuals in a population. Okay, that is growth rate in the population. It is designated by g. Now n, capital N, it is the population size. Population size is also number of individual in the population at a particular time. Okay, it is the number of individuals in a population at a particular time. Okay, that is n, and r is per capita rate increase. That means per capita is per person in the population. How much species are increased after mortality, okay, after death of certain individual under given number of total population. Okay, this is the exponential growth model. From the name you can simply know that exponential growth means that is the unlimited growth of individual under favorable condition. When favorable conditions are there, then the population growth will be exponential. Okay, here population growth reflects the number of births minus number of death. Here, that means how we can know in a habitat population is growing. That means number of births, that is natality minus mortality. Okay, one minute. Mortality is equal to population growth. Okay, population growth. It is because some of the population are perished away from the area. That's why the remaining population is indicating the number of increased with added existing population. Okay, example here, one example I have given. Suppose a population of rabbits has 100 individuals and there are 50 births and 20 deaths in 1 month. Okay, that means total population of rabbit have given population equal to 100. Okay, out of 100 extra birth of rabbit is 50. That means 50 rabbits are added to the population, and along with that, from the 100 individuals of rabbit, 20 will be died. 20 would be died. That means 20 will deducted from the total population. Now we have to first calculate what is the remaining of the rabbit species after death. That is 50 minus 20 equal to 30. 30 are the additional population, okay, or additional rabbits after death. Okay. Now per capita increase in the population, that is R, equal to 30 upon 100, which is 0.3 for the month. Okay. So here R equal to 0.3 after the death of rabbit from the total population. Okay. Now characteristics of exponential growth. Okay. What are growth model? What are the exponential growth model characters? Exponential growth model gives an idealized picture of unlimited population growth. Here population growth is unlimited. Okay. It includes no restriction on abilities of organisms to live, grow and reproduce. There is no limitation. Okay. And here for example, and exponential growth, already I mentioned that occur in a favorable condition. Even here elephants, the slowest breeders. Elephants are the slowest breeder in the animal kingdom on the planet, would increase exponentially if enough resources were available. Although elephants typically reproduce 6 youngs in 100 years of life of its lifespan. Okay, but it will reproduce more and the young will be existing under their available suitable condition. Okay, exponential growth is represented by J-shaped curve. So exponential growth is represented by J-shaped curve here. This is the graph. If we plot the graph presenting the exponential population, that is x, it is y 0, and now this is the time. Under certain condition it is time, it is months, and population size, that is n. Okay, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is 50, 100, 150, 200, is 250. Okay. If the growth model we have to show the exponential growth, it will be J-shaped growth. That means with time the number of population size will increase. So the graph would be J-shaped. Okay. And this is the exponential growth model. Okay. Yeah, exponential growth model. I have also mentioned some of the examples to calculate this exponential growth or population growth here. Give me a moment, I am just writing it. Yeah. I have taken all the contents from the Campbell book. You can also refer that. Okay. Exponential growth of rabbits. Okay, we are taking here the rabbits where R has already given, that is 0.3. Okay, in any such kind of equation or problem, R is already given, or we have to find out the R first. Okay, here time, it is also mentioned in the book, time, that is in month, N, population size, population growth, G, which the formula is small r into capital R. Here. Okay. Yeah. In time 0, the number of n equal to 20, r is already mentioned, so g will be 0. Sorry, here r 6. Okay, because we can calculate it, r equal to 0.3 into n, which would be 0.3 into 20 equal to 60, and we will put the decimal number here, so it would be 6. Like this we will calculate others. This is 1. In 1 month, n equal to 26 and g now equal to 8. Okay, and time 2, it is 34n, and here you can simply calculate by doing this. R equal to 0.3 into 34, here 34 upon 3, 3 into 4 equal to 1. Okay, give me a moment, I'm just calculating it and telling you. Which is equal to here 10. Okay, in 2 months, so we can simply, it is 10.2, which is equivalent to 10. Okay, we are just indicating a round figure here. Yeah. And question, in 3rd month the n will be 44 and it will be 13. In the same manner you can calculate 0.3 into 44, which is equal to 1. I'm showing you 0.3 into 44 equal to 13.2. We are writing it 13. Okay, and when the figure is 4 and n is 57, it would be 17. Okay, and 5, you are just calculating it and put the round number. Okay, 74 and it would be 22. Okay, these are how we can get the growth of the population, where r is already mentioned, otherwise we will find then growth by multiplying r with capital R, which is size of the population. Okay, so in this way we will find the exponential growth or simply growth of the population. Okay, so let's come to here. So this is the, I hope it is clear now. Thank you for watching. Bye.